when I'm working out personally, I do it until I get everything out of my system. Personally, if I'm able to walk straight after my set, I didn't push myself hard enough. If you're feeling like you're overtrained, that's when you have to pay attention to your body, and you should be going back to that set until you're not able to see straight. You'll find me in the gym just trying to catch my breath. I'm not able to make eye contact with that many people because it's super hard to do that after a brutal set of a very tough and challenging set. Like, I'm pushing myself harder every time. I'm never really looking at how much weight I'm lifting. I am generally, but it's not like precise. I'm not looking at how many reps I did, although maybe sometimes I will track certain sets, certain exercises, and it's a nice indicator. But if you're able to do math in your head after your set, I don't think you push yourself hard enough, in my opinion. I'm not even, sometimes it's just hard to articulate a sentence after I work out. So yeah, push yourself harder than last time. Intensity matters. And here in this video, I did a little example of how you can tell if you are going to failure, or how you can simply go to failure. And it's one of the many techniques you can use. There's no best way or correct way. You just know when you do it. If you know, you know, kind of thing. So yeah, I hope this helps. See you later. Okay, I feel like this is not talked enough. What is failure and how do you go to failure? So say you're doing a normal set, and here I do like calf raises, right? I'm doing a normal full range type of set, and then, you know, I say I do like 10, maybe 15, maybe more reps, and I can't do any more. I feel like stopping the machine, but instead of stopping, I cut the range of motion because I can do way more shorter ranges of motion than full range. So I bounce a little bit. Maybe I go even shorter. And I'm at a point where it's so painful that I can't do anymore. And I feel like stopping it and getting off. But instead of getting off, I take a second and then I do some more. Because here, if I do some more, you know, after like a 5-second break, I can go for like 10 more reps. The calves are such a small muscle. So I'm doing this kind of like intensity, rest, pause, type of short rest. And then I just continue until I just physically can't do anymore. I'm at a point where it's so painful, I want to get off, and I want to stop, and I want to put my hands here. But instead of putting my hands here, I go in a stretch position just for the extra stretch, because the muscle gets so tight after so many reps. Just to let the blood flow in, because we did do some short range of motion. But that's basically failure, in my opinion. But you should physically not be able to do more, and even after a few seconds of stopping. Hopefully this helps.